Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix an app not showing on the home screen on iPhone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Use the search bar to find the app. Swipe down on the home screen to open Safari search. Type the app name and see if it appears. If it does, the app is installed but hidden. Step 3. Check app library. Swipe left past all the home screen page to open the app library. Look for the app or search for it at the top. Step 4. Add the app back to home screen. When you find the app, press and hold its icon. Tap add to home screen. Step 6. Check app downloads. Open Apple App Store and make sure the app is fully downloaded and not stuck loading. Step 6. Check screen time restrictions. First open settings, then tap on general, then tap on screen time, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Allowed apps. Make sure the app is allowed and not hidden. Step 7. Reset home screen layout. Go to the settings, then general, then transfer a reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Choose reset home screen layout. This will restore default app placement. Step 8. Restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus power button, then select the power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. And that's how to fix an app not showing on your iPhone home screen, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.